Global Message, Part 3, Carolyn Johnson. People are attracted visually to images that show cultures to which they belong. Both these images demonstrate a diverse group of young people living alongside one another. These two images represent that racism does not interfere with these young people's lives. Skin color is not the focus of their relationship. The emotions in society is very high, but regardless of the country one may live in, racism is not tolerated. Images can carry a strong message. These messages tell the story. Racism is a choice, and so we must ask ourselves, what choice are we making? Here we see the American Anti-Racism poster. My slogan is United Together, we can make a difference. I chose this portrait because of the young people that are in it and because they are sending a message that racism won't be tolerated during a peaceful demonstration. I love colors, the bold colors, and the action of the young people. Likewise, for the Brazil anti-racism image, again, united together, we can make a difference. I've chose this image for the same reason as I chose the American image, because of the young people making a stand against racism and the bold, bright colors that is in the image. Persuasive communication will utilize visual elements to heighten and intensify a response from a viewer. It is important to capture the audience with a product they are familiar with. These images can be used to reduce racial tension and anxiety. It shows a diverse group of individuals enjoying life and accepting of each other. It tells the story of healthy friendship without racial tension. This visual element will appeal to the emotional senses of the viewers. This ends my presentation for this presentation. Thank you.